Welcome to Christmas in July 2023. So, kicking off Christmas in July, I am going to be giving you guys some decorating inspiration for the upcoming Christmas season. I am going to be throwing in some oldies but goodies videos, and I'm also going to be giving you guys some new and fresh inspiration for Christmas this year. So definitely hang tight. I hope that you guys are inspired from these videos and that you too can know that you can create things that are beautiful and affordable for your Christmas holiday. So let's sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I wanted.
So I am kind of starting to decorate for Christmas, you guys. I got the itch, the bug just bit me, and I am ready to bust out all the Christmas decorations. I still have like 2 Thanksgiving videos that I do want to do, and you guys are going to get to see that next week. But for now, I just want to kind of give you guys just some videos that can inspire you for the Christmas holiday. So today I am taking apart my mantle, not the whole thing, but I'm just going to take apart some of the stuff, you know, the fall florals and picks, and I am going to be adding some Christmas goodness. So I am super excited about it. I love the way that it turned out. Honestly, it is not what I originally wanted to do, but the way that it turned out, it just completely changed the way or the direction that I'm going into. I wasn't going to add too much red in my Christmas decor this year, just in my bedroom and my son's bedroom. But you guys, when I put up these burgundy florals and picks and everything, oh my gosh, it just took it to a whole nother level and just made it look so festive. So I am super excited about it. I cannot wait for you guys to see it, and definitely comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching today.
Better loosen your belts, drinking hot wine by the fire. Don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year.
So I hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and let me know, what do you guys think? I love it. It still has like that earth tone color that I'm going for, but also with just a smidgen of burgundy. It's not like the bright red that's in your face. It's that burgundy color that I am loving. This season is very earthy and very like, you know, it adds like that pop of color and that festiveness for the Christmas season. So I love it among all of the green and all of the browns and the tans and all the things. I'm still just loving this garland, you guys. And oh my goodness, I really don't want to take it down. But it's definitely coming down for the winter season after Christmas. But I'm just loving it so much. So let me know what you guys are thinking about this garland. I'm excited. I'm very excited. I cannot wait for the other videos to come out for you guys to see what the house is starting to look like, because I am going ham on Saturday. My daughter and I, we're going to be decorating the house for Christmas and decorating the trees and everything. So I am so excited. She's so excited. And y'all know how we do when we get together and we start decorating. We just lose our minds and lose control. So very, very excited about it. Let me know what you guys are doing for the Christmas holiday. Are you guys going neutral for Christmas? Are you using the traditional red and greens? Are you going earthy, or are you going glam, farmhouse? Let me know what you guys are doing for the Christmas holiday.
Drinking hot wine by the fire, here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Okay, guys, so let me know, what is one memory that you guys have from any Christmas, whether it's your childhood or your adulthood. what is one memory that you guys have that always takes you to a place of like pure joy, pure happiness, and peace? Let me know. So there is a Christmas that we celebrated, and it was with my mother-in-law before she passed away. We just had a blast the Christmas before she passed away. It was one of the most memorable Christmases that I've had as an adult, because she was one of the people in my adult life that I really could talk to and confide in, and just really, just talk to about a lot of things. And I do miss her, especially at Christmas time, because we always had like our traditional shopping where we would go shopping together at Old Navy for the kids, and we would just go bonkers. And I really do miss her, especially at Christmas time. And so that was such a special memory to me, the Christmas before she passed away. And I hold on to that memory and other memories as well. For my childhood, I do have so many Christmas memories from my childhood. Oh my goodness, with my brothers and my mom, and going to the ice cream parlor and just having such a good time. We didn't have much, but what we had, we were so rich. And I always just want to kind of model that in our home, that you don't need to have a whole lot, right, to be happy. So let me know, what is that one thing that that you guys, that made you so happy? This is the way that it turned out, you guys. I still feel like I'm gonna add some more dry florals to it. It still feel like it needs something to me, but I couldn't find a few of my beads, but I'm definitely gonna look for them and add them to the garland. But I am going to be adding some more stuff to it, so you guys will get to see it in its fullness, in its entirety. But for now, I just love the way that it looks. It has that neutral feel to it, and it still gives me earth tone vibes and Christmas vibes as well. Lots of festiveness. So let me know what you guys think, if you are liking it so far, and if you're also liking the direction of where my Christmas decor is going. This is very different for me, and I am loving it so much. The bells, y'all, the bells just add such a pop to it, and I just love it so much. I got the bell from Walmart for $10, you guys. So I love it so much, with all the pine cones, all the details. It just looks so beautiful. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys had a wonderful day, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you can take some inspiration from it as well. And I will see you guys in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He is the reason for the season. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.